I'm a big fan of the alpaca zip pouch for daily pocket carry, but today I've gone one bigger with this small but premium organiser, the Alpaka Hub Pouch Pro. Let's take a look. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews and pocket dumps. If you're into EDC knives, multi-tools, watches, flashlights or kits and pouches, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. Alpaka are an Australian brand producing premium, functional EDC and travel gear, and I am a huge fan. I've used this pouch now for several weeks in backpacks, work bags, pockets, tool bags and travel kits, testing it across different setups. And here's what I've learned. The Alpaka Hub Pouch Pro is a compact, ultralight organiser designed to keep your EDC essentials neat and accessible. It's part of Alpaka's modular hub system, which I haven't tried, which allows it to be attached to other accessories like keychains, straps or carabiners for flexible carry options, whether you're commuting, travelling or working on the go. I've attached this little split ring so that it works with my own carabiners. This version uses Alpaka's AxoGrid 300D fabric. It's also available in x-pac X42, both of which are durable and water resistant without stiffness or bulk. There's an Axo Flux lining inside and it's available in black, olive green or army green depending on the fabric. The weight varies between 65 and 70 grams, again depending on the fabric. It feels light but rugged and therefore ideal for daily carry, outdoor use or travel. It measures around 8.5 centimetres high, 12.5 centimetres wide and 2.5 centimetres deep. Inside you've got 6 slip pockets and 5 elastic loops for organisation. On the outside there are front and rear slip pockets plus a rear zip pocket with a weather resistant YKK zipper. It closes on 3 sides with a paracord pull and opens clamshell style. The elastic loops are perfect for smaller multi-tools, flashlights, pens or USB adapters, while the slip pockets are great for flatter items like cables or even a compact power bank. So how do I actually use the Hub Pouch Pro in my EDC setup? Well, at first I thought it would make an ideal travel pouch, but with the light carry it felt like an inefficient use of space for my cabin friendly setup. So I switched to an Altoids tin, which I have covered in an earlier video. Then I tried using it as a replacement for my Alpaka zip pouch pocket carry, but once filled it bulked out in all the wrong places and was too much for jeans. It was fine in cargo shorts over the summer, but not great for tighter pockets as autumn sets in. At the price, £35 to £39 in the UK, I did not want the pouch to go unused. But then I got bitten by the multi-tool bug. This Schal 18-in-1 multi-tool, which cost under £20 and which I also covered in an earlier video, now lives in the pouch when it's not in my pocket or being used around the house or at my pub. Yes, I own a pub. Check out my other channel at Wando James for more on that one. I won't go through the full list again, but it is a great value multi-tool with pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, bottle and can openers, a saw, files and blades. The blades do lock, so in the UK it may well fall foul of knife carry laws, so don't tell anyone. It also comes with a socket adapter and 3 double-ended bits. But I've added a bit set from Max Tools in Hull, which you may have seen on my shorts, along with a bit extender from the same place. As much as I enjoy online shopping, nothing beats walking into a proper hardware store, speaking to someone who really knows their stuff and finding that they stock everything. Support your local hardware stores, people. Because there was space in the pouch and to increase carry options, I also carry my Victorinox Tinker. This was my first Victorinox and great value at around £20. It has 12 functions, including 2 blades, can and bottle openers, screwdrivers, a reamer, wire stripper, tweezers, and a toothpick. In case of minor accidents with all these blades, and because I'm a paramedic as well as a pub owner, I keep a few first aid items inside as well. Some antiseptic wipes, plasters or band-aids, and my ever-present Clinell wipes. These are perfect for cleaning, wiping and dealing with spillages, and hopefully not the red kind from a blade mishap. On the other side, I keep Gorilla Tape, self-amalgamating tape, a few cut-to-length zip ties, a lighter and a glue stick for on-the-go repairs. I really like this setup. It's a mini toolkit, and it means I've always got secondary tools handy without crowding my main EDC pouch. It drops into my work bag, stays compact and protected, and it's quick to grab when I need to tighten a screw, fix something on the go, or open a package. So is the Hub Pouch Pro good for pocket carry? Well, technically, yes. It's fine in a jacket or a cargo pocket with a lighter carry, but in slimmer jeans or trousers, it's going to feel bulky, especially when fully loaded like it is with this setup. With this particular loadout, it's bag-only carry really, even in cargo pockets. It'll hang heavy and have you walking lopsided. For me, it's much better as a clipped or in-bag organiser, not a daily pocket item. Back to the pouch itself, I think it has plenty of other uses. For tech carry, it's great for earbuds, cables, charging gear or memory cards. For travel, it's a secure option for pens, small valuables, first aid kits or medication. It's a bit small for a passport, but it is certainly good for the supporting gear. For outdoor use, I could see it working well as a cycling kit or as a mini first aid setup. It's a smart modular pouch that adapts easily to different lifestyles and different carries. So what about the pros and the cons? For the pros, well, it's a premium build with durable materials. It has smart internal organisation. It's lightweight and compact, hub modular compatible if that's your thing, weather resistant and stylish. As for the cons, it can be bulky when fully loaded, and some loadouts actually leave wasted space. It's not ideal for heavy tools. This Schall multi-tool is about as big and heavy as I'd want to go. And finally, it's pricey. It is pricey for the size. I would not call it a budget pouch by any stretch, but as I have said before, you have to pay for quality. So is the Alpaka Hub Pouch Pro worth it? Well, if you want something streamlined, modular and travel ready, absolutely. It's perfect for small electronics, light tools or admin items, and it delivers that alpaca mix of premium feel and practicality. If you carry larger tools or need maximum capacity, it'll feel a bit small. But as an EDC or travel organiser, it nails it. Simple, stylish and premium. Exactly what I would expect from Alpaka. But what about you? Would you use this pouch for EDC, tech or travel? Or is there a better option out there? Get involved down in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. A subscribe would be absolutely amazing, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next one. Thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.